We'll guide you through how to create ClickUp Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ClickUp website on your desktop and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. Look to the left sidebar where you'll find a section labeled Docs. Click on that to access the Docs area. To create a new document, you'll need to click on the Poisa New Doc button, which is usually located at the top of the Docs section. After clicking it, a blank document will open. Here you can start adding content. You'll notice a toolbar at the top of the document which offers formatting options like bold, italics, bullet points, and more. You can also add headers, images, and even embed links. Naming your document is crucial for organization. Click on the untitled document at the top to give your doc an appropriate title. If you want to collaborate, ClickUp Docs allows you to share with your team. Click on the Share button typically found in the top right corner. You can enter the email addresses of team members you wish to invite. Set their permissions to view or edit as required. Remember to save your work frequently. ClickUp generally auto-saves, but it's always good practice to ensure your changes are saved properly. You can find your saved docs in the Docs area on the sidebar whenever you need to revisit them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.